Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable vibration in WhatsApp calls notifications. With just a few simple steps, you can customize your notifications to suit your preferences. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Then, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Next, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, tap on Notifications to access the notification settings. Under the Calls section, tap on Vibrate. Here, you can choose from different vibration options. To disable vibration for WhatsApp calls, simply select Off. And there you have it. You have successfully disabled vibration in WhatsApp calls notifications. Now you can customize your notifications to ensure a distraction-free experience while using the app. We hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.